Sanskriti Kolkata's 156th episode is on lovely dress materials, unstitched suit pieces, katha dupattas and chicken kurtas also. So watch till the end. I'll show you a variety of fabrics and variety of concepts in suits and kurtis today. Product number 1. It's a pure tussar katha work. See the embroidery. Pista colored thread work katha. So this is the kurta, full work in the sleeves and the body, whole body in the front. We'll have katha work. The back part will be plain. This is the back part. The front, the chest, you can make it up to 44. So till 43, 44 the work is there. So you can make it that way. This is the bottom. I'm showing you one full concept. This is a cotton bottom, handloom cotton bottom and a tussar olive color. It's a pista, again thread work dupatta with this. Totally hand embroidery. This is the dupatta. This is the dupatta with work. This is the kurta with again full work and the bottom. This is product number 1. The prices are already mentioned, so you can check out the prices. Now coming to product number 2. Let me tell 6850 for product number 2. Black, all over again embroidery, hand embroidery in pure tussar. Here comes the sleeves work and similar to the sleeves, here is the dupatta for this. This is the dupatta for this. So here the kurta once again, this is the sleeves and here is the kurta. It will have a black bottom. So the whole set, unstitched set, this kind of variety is available. Now coming to product number 3. Those were in katha, this is in kutch work. With mirrors, pink and grey color, sleeves. Here is the sleeves, sleeve work, kurta once again for you, front full work and this is the bottom, cotton bottom, thick quality and here is the kutch work, thread work, pink dupatta. I've just opened it half just for you to see. This is the full length dupatta. The prices are all mentioned, so I'll not be, if I don't get the tag in front of me, I'll not waste time finding the tag. So now coming to product number 4. Yes, this is pashmina. Printed pashmina, lovely suit piece. It's a fully block printed pashmina kurta. This is the pashmina self printed bottom. This is the bottom. You can do one thing which I did for my pashmina kurta set. What I did was I made the kurta, one kurta, one jacket. Instead of making the bottom, I made one kurta and one jacket with both the fabrics, and I wore it with a black, legging or a beige plazo. You can wear it with that. It's a beautiful full set pashmina, fully block printed woven border, traditional woven border full set. This is the dupatta, lovely piece in pure pashmina, lovely piece. Now coming to product number 5, price is 5990. The same print in magenta, kurta, bottom, self printed magenta bottom, and the dupatta. Here is the dupatta, the kurta. Same price, 5990. Blue, number 6, cute floral printed kurta, with self printed blue bottom. The whole thing is in pashmina. See the back side. Okay, I'll show you closely the weave, the texture. This is the bottom. Self print, this is the kurta print, and dupatta. Rama, number 7. There's ample fabric, so don't worry, there's ample fabric. I'll just show you. This is the kurta. This is the bottom. And this is the dupatta. Soft, very soft. And keeping the weather in mind, these are not the woolen pashminas. This is the dupatta. So very skin friendly. Of course, you have to give lining with this. Number 8. Now from pashmina coming to tussar. Number 8. This is a pure tussar printed kurta. 5990. Okay, this way I can show you. This is the border. You can use the border in the lower part or also in the sleeves or neck. You can make it as like the way you want it to. This is the bottom, cotton silk bottom, and it will have a lovely tussar block printed dupatta. These are all limited collection done for you just before I got these delivery little late. So we have the tailoring department. If you want, we can stitch it for you. Charges are extra with lining, or as it is for gifts also. These are very pretty ones. The whole set is available now. Now coming to red, number 9. Again, this you can use it in your sleeves and wherever you want it to be. This is the kurta, black bottom, and a very smart printed dupatta. You know, these now winter is coming, so you can of course use these lovely dupatta. You can use it with your denims, or just wear a black shirt or a skirt with your floral skirts. Lovely solid color skirt or dresses. Just use it as a scarf or just a wraparound. Lovely, it looks very pretty. The whole set when you can mix and match. Number 10, rust color. This is the kurta. This is the kurta. This is the bottom, cream bottom, and this is the dupatta. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, both are nearby. Sundays we are open till Durga Puja. 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So you can please come and do your shopping here also in case you are not in Kolkata. Of course, we ship worldwide. The shipping charges depends on weight and destination. Once the payment is done, we will courier it to you in 3 working days after we receive the payment. Internationally is also we are doing shipping regularly. The shipping charges again depends on weight and destination. This is again a blue color, self print with border, and the bottom I have already shown you, and this is the dupatta. Pure tussar. These look very elegant on wearing, very elegant suit pieces, and you know, on wearing these, you know, you can go to any corporate meets also. It looks very classy. Lovely tussar thread work kurta. Pure tussar. These are all pure fabrics. Pure tussar thread work kurta with thread work in the sleeves also. Sleek sleeves also. And this is the dupatta. Dupatta will have cute booties, embroidery, 36 inches width and full length dupatta with the kurta. You can use material from the side to make a to use it in your sleeves also, and this price is 6850, and the bottom for this is this pink one. Now coming to some lovely rayon chicken handwork kurtas. Very flowy, very comfortable, and such a cute color in pastels. 1990 only, 1990 rupees in soft sky blue color. Whole work. This is the yoke part and this is the back part. Product number 13, 1990. Okay, the sides will have the work, the bottom will have the buta, the back part will also have this embroidery. So 1990 rupees, extremely comfortable. Sizes available till, I was just seeing, till 42, 44, 46, and very reasonable range also. Now coming to a lavender color. Very pretty shade. Same price. Home wash, extremely comfortable, ideal for gifting also. Peach, till 46 sizes available, 36 to 46. Back. With these, you can wear our chicken bottoms also. I'll just show you this lemon with that, how you can mix and match. This is 46 size. So sizes are available. The back. Very soft and comfortable, extremely soft and comfortable. But I know looks very pretty, and all handwork. These are all handwork. 1990 for baby pink. Number 18. Again handwork, Georgette, high neck, sherwani's cut, kurta in golden yellow, full work, front slit, sleeves with work, back with buta, price 3650, 3650 for this, with inner. 3,650 rupees. See closely the work. Okay. I have number 19 in red. This is not with the high neck, but this is with Kali. 3850, product number 17. Paisley Kalidari style in Georgette, self work in chicken, handwork. Front, closely you can see, here is the front work, the back, again with work. Front and back full work with Kali. Back also with work with inner. Now black and white number 20. 2350. 2350 with dupatta. It's not a dupatta, you can say it's a stole. With stole work and with inner, oh my god, and with inner. Handwork, Georgette, 2350, kurta, stole and inner. Another black, design changes, 2950, 2,950 rupees. Handwork, back with butta, sleeves embroidered, with inner, with inner. Sizes available, 40, 42, 44. All designs doesn't have all sizes, so let me know the sizes. And these are Georgette, so these are slightly stretchable, so don't worry, it should fit you okay. You just tell me, measure any one of the kurta part of you, any kurta that you have in inches, from the underarms where the sleeves is attached, from here to here. So just measure in inches with your inch tape and tell me, we'll give you the right size. Front open, front slit, handwork in red, back again with work. Number 22, 3900, front and back full work with inner, front slit, high neck. Very smart looking. With these you can wear it with your, you can wear a self color bottom also. We have the chicken self color stretchable stretch pants, free size. These are priced rupees 1850. See the handwork done in it. Self color handwork. So you can wear it with contrast, with the black also red goes. We have whites also. So this I've already told you in red. Now coming to this yellow, number 23, similar to the red one, 3900. I have this golden yellow color also, front again with work, the back also again full with work, with inner. And with this you can try this self embroidered stretchable pant with waist elastic. Very smart it looks. And the last one in chicken, other than the mannequin, I have this black one also. 4500, handwork, 4500. This is handwork again, back, with inner, And of course you can wear it with this self black stretch embroidered legging. I wouldn't say legging, it's a straight pant, slim pant. See the self work, black on black. Looks very smart, and you know it has, you can tighten it. We have the string to broaden, we have the elastic. So this is also available. Just check out the prices, it's mentioned in the post. Now coming to the mannequin wearing, it's a Angrakha style Kalidari Georgette chicken kurta without inner. See the number of kalis. Beautiful shade of yellow. Front and back with kali and work. Flowy, stretchable also. 3,750 rupees without inner. So this is a very pretty fashionable piece. Now I'll be showing you some lovely Katha dupattas. Number 25. Silk Katha dupatta, Nokshi Katha, all over work. All these dupattas are 3,850 rupees. Brown and mustard color combination. Full length, full work. Can you just see the lovely, gorgeous Katha embroidered dupatta. Okay, quickly I'll show you all the dupattas. I think putting it on the mannequin will help you see better, but just to check out the size of the dupatta, let me show you fully one size so that you can understand. 2.5 meter the length and around 36 to 37 inches width. Nokshi Katha. But what happens again when you do the thread work, little this diminishes, so it will be around 240 to 2.5 meters. And these are full length. Actually you don't look good wearing it the whole like this. Just drape it on one side. It really looks nice, and you can, it's easy to carry also. So this is another Katha dupatta, bird Katha dupatta. In tussar. On black, multicolored, Nokshi Katha multicolored, goes with so many kurtas. Lovely, it will go with red, black, yellow, magenta, natural tussar color. Very pretty, all over Katha dupattas. Now number 28. 3850. Tussar with thread work. Nokshi Katha again. Very pretty embroidery kathas have come, ideal for gifting also. Everybody appreciates handwork, and the whole look of your attire will change with these kind of a katha embroidered dupatta. For runners, table runners, for hangings, gifting, multiple purpose use. This is in navy. Full work, all over work. Multicolor, number 30, 3850. Very pretty work in tussar, maroon, deep wine color. Closely I am showing you all the work, all the embroidery, and since it's all over work, so just one side I am just draping so that you can understand what will be in both the sides. See, all over work. Focus. Very neat finish and very high-end work. And all the colors are such rich colors that they go well with most of the attires because there are multiple colors. Later you can make a jacket out of this. Very pretty. Firoza. So these are all 3850 range. Now I'll show you a little lower range ones. Little lower range, this will be, just a minute. Little lower range one, this will be in tussar again, 2,990 rupees, 2990. These are tussar, but these, it's lighter quality tussar with thread work. Katha thread work, 2990 for these, 2,990 rupees. $2,990. Pure tussar with all over embroidery, all over handwork in Katha. Pure tussar. Those were with piping and reverse, and this is different concept work. And the length of this will be around 20 centimeter lesser than the others. Now these will be pink thread work, again in tussar Katha. Pink and Rani. Very pretty work, wear with a white, black, navy blue, magenta, all colors will look nice. Number 39, Warli Katha, Golpo Katha. It's a stole, big stole you can say. See the work. Golpo Katha. Now the last ones, this is not tussar. This is a bafta fabric. It's a blended fabric. Range is much reasonable, but very comfortable. It is giving a tussar look, but it is not tussar. It's a lovely shade, light weight, ideal for wearing for offices and all also. 2,000 rupees only. Even great for gifting. 2,000 rupees, very good quality and very comfortable also. 2,000, I'll show you quickly all the available colors. 2,000 for this Bafta Katha dupattas. Lovely temple work, and here is the lower part, pallu part. All over butta. Pink, similar type. And the last one in maroon. Dark maroon color. And lastly, I am wearing a chicken kaftan kurta without inner, side slit, back with work. You can wear it with the leggings that I've shown you. It's a very smart looking, and kaftans are very much in fashion now. And this is a free size, so anybody would fit in. Till 44, whoever is wearing 44 will also fit this. This is 2350, 2250, right? 2200, only 2200 for this kaftan kurta. So thank you for watching. Namaskar.